Hi everyone! Have you watched part 1 of my tea series? If you haven't, please watch that as well. Okay, so today we are going to talk about a few more idioms about tea. Let's start with the first one, which is not for all the tea in China. This means that you wouldn't do something even if you were given a great reward. The tea in China is considered very special and valuable. So even if you were given a big present, you wouldn't do this. For example, I could say, I wouldn't do that job for all the tea in China. How about you? What wouldn't you do for all the tea in China? The next phrase is as useful as a chocolate teapot. Imagine a teapot that's made of chocolate. When you pour hot water into the teapot to make tea, the chocolate melts, so it is not useful anymore. In the same way, you can say that something you have is as useful as a chocolate teapot, which means it isn't useful. For example, I could say, my umbrella broke yesterday. Now, my broken umbrella is as useful as a chocolate teapot. The last phrase is to read the tea leaves. So in the past, people used to look at tea leaves to predict the future. In the same way, we can use little signs and clues that we have to work out what will happen next. For example, I could say to my colleague, read the tea leaves. People who have worked for this company for 10 years are losing their jobs. We have been here for 1 year, so we will definitely lose our jobs. So I'm using the information I have already about long-term colleagues to predict that I will also lose my job. So that's it. Let's go through the phrases again. Phrase number 1, not for all the tea in China. Phrase number 2, as useful as a chocolate teapot. And phrase number 3, read the tea leaves. Try using these phrases when you have your next conversation. They'll help you sound more natural and fluent when you're speaking English. Thanks for watching. See you next time.